Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar on implementing passive optical LAN technology to optimize CCTV and WLAN networks in hotel environments. Today is Alan Kwon, product manager at Whitec, who will be leading these insightful sessions. Alan, the floor is yours. You may now begin the webinar.
Okay, thank you. Hi, everyone. Good morning for everyone. I'm Alan from YTech. And today I want to introduce POL solutions for the hotel Wi-Fi and CCTV. First, maybe some people will say, what is POL? So let me explain what is POL. POL is a passive optical LAN. This technology is based in GPON technology. And you can see this topology graph. Usually, this POL solution is built by ORT from our internet to the ORT. This is a GPON technology device, and it's like a management device and have layer switch function. And then it have a few fiber, and one fiber it can pass through the splitter. This green one is splitter. It can split multiple fiber. Usually for GPON, one fiber can split 128 new fiber. Then go to the MDU. MDU actually is a PoE switch, but the uplink port is GPON fiber. So this device function is a convert fiber go to the PoE. Then in the end, the PoE connecting the cameras or access point. So this is the POL, and it has three parts mainly. First is ORT, is a optical LAN terminal, and the second is a splitter. Full name is a passive optical splitter. The function is split one fiber to the new 128 new fiber, and the end is a multiple. Is the MDU is actually is a, you can see is a PoE switch, but the uplink port is a GPON fiber. So this is how POL work. Then we can understand why we need POL. This is usually most used for some environment of new building, like a hotel, new hotel, or new apartment. The customer maybe say, I want all fiber cable deployment on my project because maybe in the future, 2 years, we are using mainly the Wi-Fi 7 access point. But the Wi-Fi 7 access point, the speed is 10G. And so better we use the fiber cable is more cost effective, because if we use the UTP cable, the UTP 7 and UTP 7 is very expensive. So like here we show, this is a building in the control room from our like a call switch or from our the server, we connect one ORT. Then this one ORT, it have few fiber port. Every fiber port go to the splitter. It has split 128 piece new fiber. So go to the new fiber, go to the every floor, and then it connecting the MDU. Then convert from the fiber to the PoE. So you can see in this hotel, in this building, the mainly the cable is a fiber cable. Only you need deploying some UTP cable in the end, maybe 5 meters, 10 meters to power up the cameras, access point, or VIP phone. So this is the mainly used in the new building. Also, maybe sometimes the old building, if you want upgrade to fiber or upgrade to Wi-Fi 7, you need a 10G speed in the mainland. You can use these solutions. So this network is mainly for the next generation, the all optical network. And for YTech, we support the cloud manager also. And the fiber, the device between the two devices, the fiber up to the 20-kilometer transmission device, the distance. And also it will save the energy because we use fiber replace the electricity cable. And also it will simply maintain. I will introduce later how to simply maintain. First, we can see the spec of two devices. This is the ORT, POL 5808 is a ORT. It's a GPON ORT with a 8-piece GPON fiber, and 410G SCP Plus is a normal fiber link. This is GPON fiber link. This GPON fiber link, sorry, this GPON fiber link have 8 GPON fiber, and every fiber GPON fiber can split 128 new fiber. So that means this one device can carry totally 1,000 new fiber, handle 1,000 new fiber, the link. And this is the POL308G. P is a 8-port GPON PoE MDU. It's a 8 PoE ports with a 120 watt PoE budget, but the uplink port is a 2-port 5G GPON fiber. So you can see, you can think this is a fiber PoE switch, but use GPON technology with uplink 2.5 5G speed. So this too is our POL solutions, the model. Then let me explain more why we should choose POL. First is the fiber cable advantage. As we know, you can see the before we mainly used in the Cat 5e or sometimes Cat 6 for the CCTV market or the WLAN wireless market. You can see here Cat 5e, the maximum transmit speed is 1,000 and distance is 100 meter only, and it can use 5 years, 8 years, and also you can see its weight is 1 meter 40 G. And if Cat 6, if you want to reach truly gigabit or over the gigabit speed like 2.5 G, you need Cat 6. And also the distance is a big problem, is only 100 meters between two device. And then we move to the fiber, like a single mode fiber. The maximum speed is 100 G. So you never, no need worry. You never no need worry. If you use fiber, you will have some speed limited. And the most transmit speed distance is 40 kilometers. And also it have 1 to 10 to 30 years the life for the cable. So it's a really good solution for your next generation networking. Okay, so you can see here is the advantage of POL. You can upgrade the network. No need. If you in the future you choose upgrade to Wi-Fi 7, and your speed is increased from the 1.1 GB to the 10 GB, you don't need to change the cable. You just still use the fiber cable. Okay. Then second, we can say this is a hotel project, a normal hotel project. Like it have 200-piece camera IP camera and a 50 AP or VIP phone, totally 250 terminal for one hotel. Before, if we finish this by the traditional network, that means like use the switch, PoE switch. Like if we want to use the cloud, we want to use a manager switch. Okay, we need to choose the 8-port layer 2 manager PoE switch, and maybe need to choose 22 piece because we need totally 250 more. 250 PoE ports. And under this situation 2022, you need to choose a good core switch. You need maybe choose a 148 ports core switch, layer 3 switch. And because this is a active device and it have big power budget, so you need at least one AC in your weak current room. and different floor. And then you need to deploy the maybe 1,000 meter the cable. So you need 300 meters the cable. So totally cost is the retailer cost we calculate is around 7,000. And then after pure solution, then we move to the pure solution. You can see if we use a two-port ORT, the two-port GPON fiber ORT, it can handle totally 256 new fiber. That means it can take 250 piece this one. But here we only need a 32 piece MDU. So, and we also need a splitter. This splitter is like a split one fiber to the 32 new fiber. So can carry 32 piece MDU. Then we use same 1,000 meter the fiber. So totally cost now can decrease half, only 3,000 US dollar around. So this is a really good solutions for I mean for some the new project. If you want win the project, you want the saved cost. I can say is a half price compared with traditional network. Okay, then we can compare another cost is a deployment cost. You know, this is a traditional network. You can see this is a hotel. It have like a 5 floor or 6 floor. Okay, in the control room, in the first floor control room, okay, we have call switch, or we mix some copper cable to the copper cable to the every floor. You can see the next floor we adding one cabinet. We need at least prepare a cabinet. We need to prepare a weak current room. So every floor you need this cabinet, and you need to prepare the power source, power supply, because in the cabinet you need to put a fuse switch, and also you can see you need to deploy more cable across the different floor, and this all is a cost, not only the material cost, but also the deployment cost. So if we move to the pure, it's very simple. You can see it from the call switch, you make one connect to the ORT here. Then for ORT, you split one fiber, go to splitter, and the splitter you can split 32 new fiber, go to the MDU. And this splitter is a passive device. No need power supply, no need setting software. So you can put in anywhere. It's a passive device, no need power supply. So you can save storage it in any space, and you don't worry people will power off the power. So that's why I say you can say it's so simply for the keyboard deployment job, and all use fiber in the area flow. Okay, then we can compare with the maintenance cost. Maintenance cost actually for a project is sometimes is a big project, a big job, because especially like you use some managed switch, you and with access point, you need setting the WLAN, maybe setting the RSTP, or setting the IGMP looping something. So from here you can see from the lawyer, it use a layer 3 switch, maybe a core switch, and then in the middle you put a layer 2 fiber switch. Then you split more fiber to the access point, access switch. Access switch usually we will choose the Easy Smart or the unmanaged PO switch. But sometimes we need to make a VLAN, so we at least choose the Easy Smart. So you can see you need setting the VLAN or some function one by one switch by one switch, and it's so difficult. It's a big job actually. But here you can see in the pure, it's very simple. You just need setting everything from the ORT. If you know some technology of GPON, you know the ORT is like NVR, and MDU like a camera. You don't need setting the camera one by one. You just should manage all the MDU from the ORT, the interface. So you just setting everything ready in the ORT. Then in the splitter is a passive device. You don't need to care about any software part. So all these things, even no matter how many pieces you use, you just need setting software in one piece device. Then you can keep same function like a layer 3 function. And you can just use the one to the optical fiber to replace thousands of copper. And you don't need power, think about power supplier. You don't need to think about the AC. So it's easy maintain, easy setting software. Okay, then now we can see after you finish job, sometimes you want remotely to control the project. That means you need to use cloud manager. Now we already finished deploying the cloud manager by the web or by the app. You can see this is a by the web. It's a project by the POL. From the internet or from your service, go to the ORT. The ORT go to after splitter, go to maybe multiple MDU. And this MDU, if access some cameras, okay, you can manage the cameras. You can show the topological graph, all the device, include the camera. And when you choose one ORT device, you can see here, it was in the web page, it shows the model name and how many the IP address it gets, and also how many hours it uptime, and it will show different port situation, which is the copper port, which is fiber port, which is 1 GB, which is 10 GB. And it here you can see it have different functions, and it also shows ONU list, every ONU list or ONT list. Okay, here is a app. We also support our app, support the cloud manager by our app. You can download our app by search Tek Cloud in our Apple Store or iOS Store. And here is some screen picture show the topology graph. Okay. You can see here, this is the project. It has some device. I just show the part of a project. It shows the gateway, shows switch, shows the access point. But here it also shows some POL3 device, one ORT, two MDU, and it connected by fiber. And here is PoE. You can see it. And even if connect some cameras, we support on-wave detection. We can detect all the cameras. And if you go to the choose the ORT, you also see some information like a model name, like uptime, how many hours, how many days, and the last time you upgrade firmware, and also the port situation. And you can reboot remotely. You can telnet input remotely, or you can EWAP. EWAP means you can if you press EWAP, we will credit a link. You visit this link, you can visit this device directly. It's very easy to maintain. And then this is a picture for the MDU. MDU, you can see it's similar like a PU switch, and it shows the port situation and shows the power budget, shows the PoE status, and even you can see you can choose one port, PoE port, you can reboot this PoE port remotely. So you can remotely control your camera or your access point. Here, I want to show you a demo. This is our web cloud, the demo. Everyone can log in this link, cloud2.wireless-tech.com to try our cloud. And this is the web cloud. You can see this is the map project, and all the new account can see this shared project. This shared project have a demo. If you go to the inside, okay, this is the project. You can see it's from show from the internet to the gateway to some PoE switch. All our PoE switch support cloud, so we can cloud manage it and show our access point, and cameras. And here I want to see introduce is here. You can see it also connect to the ORT, then connect to some MDU, this two MDU. And every MDU it have the camera connecting. And it will show the camera, the model name, the IP address, the MAC address. Okay, here when I choose a ORT, you can see I can remotely to access the device by the eWeb. When I choose the eWeb, okay, our cloud server is deploying on Amazon AWS, so I need to choose the which server is nearby you. Okay, here is Asia. I choose the Singapore. Then we will credit a link, and you visit this link, you can visit the device directly. You can access the device, enter into the web page of device. So it's easy for you remotely to access the device for maintain or for setting the software like this. Here, maybe my internet is slow, so usually it will credit a link in the like this in the few seconds. You can see it credited this link. When I create this link, but this link only work in 30 minutes. After this link, 30 minutes, this link will not work. And when I go to the this link, with this link, you can see I can visit the ORT, the web page of ORT. I just enter into the account, then it will log into the ORT. So it's very easy to log in. But here also have a detail. If I log detail, I can quickly set in some normal function, like I can know all the port situation. Even I choose the one port, you can see I can see the ports the situation. Like how about the WLAN setting? It's tag WLAN and hotspot node, the mode, and the WLAN tag is one or and other and the numbers. And you can see here is the overview is like is a MAC address table. And if and here is have some camera. Okay, I will show here. And here is the LLDP the information. And this is you can see is the port situation. Some port is up, some port is down, and even some port it can show the speed is a 10 megabits or 100 megabits and gigabit speed like this. And here you can set in the WLAN quickly if you want to credit the WLAN for your POR solutions. And here is a LAN profile. Usually you don't need care about this because this is only work when you want working with the non-Tech brand ONU, like you use Huawei, ZTE, or the Nokia, the ONU. Also here, the ONU or ONT we call it's auto configuration. So you don't need care about how to setting these things. And also ONT list. This is the ONT list show how many device ONT you connecting. So you can see the status. Okay, so now we think after you use the PUR, you only need to think about is the credit or VLAN. Then we go to the MDU here, this MDU. Same you can use the eWeb, but here I show the detail. You can see same situation, the PUR. Here have this lighting is the means PoE power on, power output. You can see this is the link and this is speed, and also we can check the PoE status. This port is the PoE power 2400 MW, and this is a 50 ampere microampere. And even you can choose this port, you can restart PoE ports. Like I can choose all these three. Okay, I restart PoE ports. If I remotely restart the PoE ports, that means I can restart the camera. So it's easy. You can use in as a manager PoE switch. And here our camera, even we can remote access the camera. So you need to go to the terminal. And in this project, okay, I go to the terminal. You can see this is some cameras, Hikvision, Dahua, or we support all on-with cameras. We can detect all the different brand camera based on-with protocol. It's similar. It will credit the link and you visit this link, you can visit the camera directly. So let me wait a few seconds. It's a credit link. Okay, now a credit link, and after visit this link, actually it will access the web page of cameras. Okay, my home internet speed is not good, so now a little slow. But you can see when I visit this link, actually I'm trying to log in my cameras. Okay, later when we back this page, I want to show one more is here. Here have some, this project have some alarm. We can set in all the alarm information, like some device online, some device offline, some switch reboot. Okay, we set all alarm information here. You can open the device online alarm email or alarm by notification here, and the device reboot or even the all device offline, some switch port groups. You can get all alarm information. So it's convenient that you remotely control your project by our app. Okay, now you can see actually it's logged into the web page of the camera, the Dahua camera, but because maybe my internet problem, so it will not show all the page, but it actually access the cameras. And here we also have the function, the PUR. You can see it was when you choose the PUR, you will choose all the list device, and you can reboot, you can do the factory reset, and you can upgrade the firmware directly. So it's easy to remotely control everything. Even like you choose a switch, you go to the switch part, you can see all the device of switch, and also the gateway. You can see when we have a new firmware, we will show here the upgradable firmware upgradable. So you can see you can just choose the firmware, then you can upgrade directly. It's convenient for you remotely control the different project. This is a switch, and this is like some access point, cloud access point, and this is 4G router mesh, different our brand, even the camera. We will show the camera. You can see the Hikvision, the Dahua, different model name. You can see here. Now it shows the camera of the web page, but it not show the logo. Maybe my internet is slowly. It's like these things. But you can log in the web page of Switch. But sorry, it's cameras. Okay, so it's convenient to use our app. Let me go back our our PowerPoint. So this is the cloud manager by web and by app. This is a exactly detail about our MDO and ORT. Like MDO, you can see it has the 2.5G GPON fiber and the 8 gigabit PoE, uplink at 2.5G, and use GPON mode, and it supports AF80 PoE for the 110 watt, and it can can detect on-wave protocol device and support our web cloud, OMCL, and OEM, and a web manager, local web manager. And this ORT is it have 4 gigabit RJ45 and 10G fiber. 10G fiber is uplink. You can connect some server. You can connect your gateway. So it's no speed limited. And the downlink is 8 GPON fiber. And every GPON fiber can split 128 maximum new splitter. And so this is very powerful. And even it has some layer 2 and the layer 3 function. You can see the VRP and OSPF, the WLAN, and some the other function STP, RSTP. And also sometimes we think this ORT is too powerful. Maybe sometimes it's a little expensive. So we need a small ORT. So let we let us to see a roadmap. You can see here the cloud pure solution. Now this tomato is a hot selling, is already launched in the market, but we are developing new model like this. Is a 2 pulse ORT, is a mini ORT. It's a good price and with 2 GPON fiber and 2 10G uplink. This 2 GPON fiber, it can split 1200, totally can access 250 piece new fiber. That means this model can handle 250 piece, 56 piece this MDU. So offer totally 1,500 PoE port for this device. So enough for a hotel project or apartment project. And also we are developing 4 PoE ports MDU, like this one. This is 8 PoE, this is 4 PoE. So this solution, I think, is most suitable for the small hotel or the economic hotel. And sometimes we do some outdoor surveillance project. Let me outdoor the camera project. We need to use fiber. Okay, we can choose use pure solution, replace the fiber switch or media converter. You can see from here, your NVR connect ORT, then go to splitter, it splits some new fiber. Some connect to indoor, go to the MDU, connect to the change of convert from the fiber to the PoE. And sometimes you can put in outdoor. We have a cabinet. You can put this MDU on in the cabinet, and it will convert from the fiber to the PoE. So it can power up maximum 8 PoE. And also, we have some features for pure system. First, it can perfect to replace the layer 3 switch. You can see it has so rich layer 2 and layer 3 function, like from the WLAN, QoS, ACL, TCP, RIP, OSPF, ISS, the list router function. So it's good for replace your layer 3 switch. Second is a list authority. You can see it can use splitter, split more fiber, then connect different HGO, SFU, MDU. MDU is our models. Okay, you can also choose some other like HGO wireless GPON ONU, like a Huawei brand, ZTE brand, and the Viso brand, the Nokia brand, different brand. We can work together. Third is it's for cloud. I already just explained. We can use the web cloud and the app cloud, and you can finish the device some alarm notification, and you can find which device have problem. It's easy to finding this device have problem, and you can real time to monitor the situation of your project, and you can remotely access any device by the eWeb. And this is about ONU MDU. You can see it have 1 DC in and 1 GPON fiber in and 8 gigabit PoE ports. So you can see this is like a fiber PoE switch, but it's GPON fiber PoE switch. Then this one also we support the on-wave the detection. So you can show the on-wave detect. You can detect all brand cameras and show in our cloud, as I showed you just now. You can see I can remotely access the Hikvision, Dahua camera, or other brand cameras. So easy if you do use this to do the CCTV project. It's really easy to maintain your system, CCTV system. Okay, I just finished the introduction about the POL solution. I hope our friend, if you want to use POL solution for some CCTV WLAN, the hotel project, you can use it. You just remember this topologic graph from the internet or from the NVR to the ORT, then go to splitter, then go to the MDU, and the MDU change from fiber to the PoE, and you set everything from the ORT, even from our cloud. You don't need care about setting the ONU one by one or MDU one by one. It's very easy to use. Okay. Now I finish.
Okay, thank you all for joining this webinar. We will now open the floor for you for a question and answer session. I am going to enable your microphones so you can ask questions or share any comment. So your microphones are enabled right now, so you can ask questions or share any comments. So it seems that there is no question, everything is clear. So thank you once again for attending this webinar, and we wish you all a wonderful day. So thank you, Alan, and see you the next webinar.